Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where I will be showing you 10 lying down yoga poses that you can do either on your mat or on your bed. This is great for beginners. It's also good practice to do at the end of a long day to unwind in the evenings. You can also do this practice in the mornings when you feel lazy to do an energetic yoga flow. So we'll begin with our first asana, that is Makarasana. This is a grounding yoga pose. Come to lie on your belly. Legs are nice and wide. Let the inside arches of your foot come to rest on the floor or mat. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Get really comfortable as wide as you want to with your legs. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Stay here for about 3 to 5 breaths. The next asana that we're going to be doing is Bhujangasana. Bring your palms beneath your shoulders, fingers nice and wide. Your legs can stay wide. As you inhale, gently move your chest off the floor and come up. Remember not to push your shoulders towards your ears. Maintain a lot of length in your neck. By keeping your shoulders down, you won't bend your elbow. Gaze forward. Keeping your legs wide gives a lot of room for the sacrum to move. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale. If this is too much, you're feeling a lot of compression in your lower back, you can always move down. Focus more on creating an expansion and opening in your front body, rather than compression in your lower back. And now as you breathe out, gently go down. You can hold each pose for about 15 to 30 seconds. The next asana that we're going to be doing is Salabhasana. Bring your palms beneath your thighs. Your pelvic bone there presses into your wrist. Drop your forehead towards the mat. Bring both your feet together. Now, start moving your right toes as you're trying to reach for the back wall. Squeeze your glutes and raise one leg up. Ardha Salabhasana. You can hold this for about 10 seconds or 2 to 3 breaths and drop it down. The other leg. Squeeze and hold. At no point are you holding your breath. Now bring both your feet together as you're going to reach for the short end of the mat. Squeeze your glutes, either forehead or your chin. See what works for you. Rest that. Hold. Inhale and exhale. And once slowly drop it down. Come to lying on your back. Now we're going to do the fourth asana, that is Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. Bring your feet or heel as close as possible towards your seat. Hands come to rest next to you. Tip of your nose is pointing towards the ceiling. At no point you're turning your neck. And start pushing your knees in the direction of your toes. Squeeze your glutes. Push your belly towards the ceiling. Open your chest. Now if you can, roll your shoulders further, opening your chest. Interlace your fingers. Gaze up. Remember, your thighs are not splaying apart. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Release. Drop it down. Hug both your knees towards your chest. Your fifth asana, Pavan Muktasana. You can simply stay here. If you feel like, gently rock side to side, just massaging your lower back. If it's hard to, bring your hands all across your legs. You can bring your hands around your thighs and pull that towards your belly. The second option is your head can stay rested here or bring your chin in the direction of your knees. This depends on how you feel in your neck. Take another deep inhalation. Completely exhale. Drop your feet to the mat. Next is Supta Kapotasana, your reclined pigeon. Place your left ankle on your right knee. Slowly lift that right leg off the mat. Your left hand in the space between your thighs. Your right hand from the outside of your thigh. Grab hold of your thigh and pull this towards your chest. Here, you're going to feel a nice stretch here all along your the outside of your hip. You can always hold the knee and pull. See what works for you. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. You're going to change legs. Your ankle is hanging out. Lift that left leg off. Right hand space between your thighs. Left from outside. Interlace your fingers. Pull that left thigh towards your belly or chest. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. And then release. Now here what we're going to do is drop that right knee over your left thigh. Like you're sitting cross-legged or one leg over the other when you're sitting on a chair. Arms like the letter T. Bump your hips to the right side. Drop both your knees towards the left side. Supta Matsyendrasana. Relax. Try and bring both your shoulders towards the mat. So, your right shoulder shouldn't be lifting off. Inhale. Completely exhale. This is great to help you with your digestion as well as healthy for your spine. Come back. Bump your hips back to center. This time change legs. You're going to place your left over your right. Arms like the letter T. Bump your hips towards the left side. And drop your knees towards the right. Your legs can stay wrapped. Or if that is too much, you can just, bring your knees like you're pressing into Pawan Muktasana and drop it down. Just another variation, Jata Parivartanasana. Remember to rest your shoulders on the mat. Your gaze towards the left side or your nose pointing towards the ceiling. Hips back to center. Release your legs. The next one we're going to be doing is Supta Pada Angushtasana. Grab hold of your left toe with your left hand. Send it up towards the ceiling. Here, this knee can stay bent or keep it nice as straight as much as you can. Your knees may be slightly up here, that's fine. And then drop that leg towards the left side of the room. Arms like the letter T. Nose pointing up towards the ceiling. Now, if this feels too much, bend your knees, drop your knees. Grab hold of your thigh. From the inside, you're grabbing hold towards the back of your thigh and just straighten the legs. One, release, bring it back. This time, grab hold of your right toe with your right hand. Drop it towards the right side of the room. Here the wall is in the way. If you need to adjust, feel free to adjust. And then you can also straighten the other leg. Hold and stretch. Stay with your breath. Just do the asanas to a point of discomfort and never pain. Slight discomfort is always good because you're moving more towards progressing. But if there's sharp shooting pain, then come out of the pose. Stay here. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. Bend your knees. Bring it back. Bend both your knees. This time bring the soles of your feet to touch. Supta Baddha Konasana, a gentle hip open. Arms can come to rest next to you or on your abdomen. Try and drop your knees as far as you can towards the earth. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. The last asana that we're going to be doing is Shavasana. With the support of your hand, bring your legs together. Straighten both your legs in front of you. As wide as the mat, let your legs flop to the side. Hands wide open or they come to rest on your belly. Close your eyes. Just remember you're not, bringing your arms close to your body. Keep that opening so that you can focus on your breath. Lie down here, hands on your belly or in receiving position. Just staying here. Being aware, focusing on how your body feels, how your breath feels, noticing your thoughts. This is one of the hardest poses to stay in. Take another deep inhalation, completely exhale. You can stay in this pose for about 2 minutes and up to 20 minutes. One way to stay aware is to stay connected to your breath, simply noticing the rise and fall of your chest or the movement in your abdomen. Just bringing your focus to one thing, and breath is the easiest way to do that. Whenever you're ready, chant one round of Om and end the session. Take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. These asanas should not take you more than 12 to 15 minutes. It depends on how long you stay in each pose. If you have any questions or queries related to today's class or anything yoga, write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.